What's up? You wanna know how to turn shitty pictures from a shitty phone into high quality picture? Well, you came to the right place. First, take a shitty picture of yourself. Just like this one. Now, go to Edit, Preferences, Technology Previews. Turn on Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale, because you'll see why. Go to Image Size. Now, this picture is not too small but too shitty, so I'm gonna turn these pixels up. Make sure that Preserve Details is selected. Noise reduction all the way to the max. Press OK. Now, look at this. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Okay? Okay, next thing. Right click. Convert to smart object. Because if you apply the filter directly to the rasterized layer, well, you should have been doing Photoshop, you silly. Press filter, camera raw filter. Alright, now we're just gonna play with the options. So, I want to bring up the lightness in this picture. Yeah, that seems about right. That's okay. Contrast, highlights, shadows, definitely shadows are most important in this picture. Now, bring up clarity. This should be good. Now, the most important part, go to these two triangles right here that says detail. Click, left click, sharpening, amount, all the way to the up. No, I'm just kidding. Just go about 100. But make masking about 70. Because you see what it does without masking? The whole picture is really sharp. But with masking, it just sharpens the edges, which is what we need. The most important part, noise reduction, with it right in the middle, 50. Now, look at this. Look at this. Go to tone curve, just a little bit finesse, a little bit that adjustment. Alright. Click here, click here. Now, take this line, drag it a little bit up. Alright, just like that. Press OK. Now, look at this. Before camera raw filter, after camera raw filter. Yeah, pretty awesome, right? Just beautiful. Now, look at this. This is the size of our previous picture. Look at the quality. Shitty quality. Look at this. Look at this. So, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, I gotta stop talking like this. My throat hurts. So, thank you. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Love ya.